Here's some modern muscle at Unique, especially in classics. Let's check this one out. 2022 Dodge Hellcat Redeye, super stock, of course, then with the wide body. One owner car, clean Carfax, just a little over 1,400 miles is all on this car. Of course, a 6.2 liter supercharged Hemi high output V8 underneath the hood. Octane red. Interior is the Laguna leather. Seats in black and sepia. As you take a look at the front fascia. With the still pictures, you'll be able to check out the window sticker, see exactly how this car is equipped. You can see that window sticker at uniqueclassiccars.com. You can call us 507-386-1726. Of course, the 6-piston Brembo brakes, SRT Hellcat wheels, riding on Nitto radials. Some of the packages on this, as far as it's equipped, does have the super stock package, as I mentioned earlier. It's a $20,000 option in itself. It's going to give you the suspension, of course, the Brembo brakes I just mentioned, 200-mile-an-hour speedo, high performance engine controller. It will also have the Plus package, the driver's convenience package, Harman Kardon audio, and then as you've seen up front, that black satin painted hood. What a beauty. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. So take a look at the rear of the car. Paint shows very well on this one. What you'd expect with this kind of miles on it. Again, just a little over 1,400. I believe it was 1,448. We're going to check out the interior a little closer. Fire it up. Let you hear it run. So take a look down the driver's side. Again, free of nicks, dings, and scratches. All right, let's look at this gorgeous interior. Of course, your modern amenities. Won't hit on all of those, but of course your windows, locks, memory seating, power seat. And take a look at the condition of the seats. Again, like new, what you'd expect with a car with this kind of miles on it. Of course, all your steering wheel controls. Go ahead and slide the seat back a tad. Now, of course, this would have the 8-speed automatic in it. All right, there's your exact miles, 1,448. No modifications, stock vehicle. Of course, your heated and ventilated seats, heated steering wheel. Incredible sounding cars. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run at idle anyway. Slip up to the front, take these hood pins out. Let's check out this engine bay. I'm going to go ahead and pause it just real quick. We get those hood pins out, we get the hood open, check out that engine bay. Here's a good look at the underside of the hood. That cold air intake, and obviously this car has not been driven in any sort of inclement weather. There it is, that supercharged Hemi 6.2 liter Hellcat engine. All the horsepower you could ever need. And again, one owner car, clean Carfax, low miles. Take a look at the window sticker and with the still picture, see exactly how this car is equipped. uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pictures, underside, interior, engine bay. Call us 507-386-1726. Like I said earlier, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation.